Kitty. He's so funny. Oh no! Kitty. Find somebody else to play with. Ow. Scratch me. No, cat. No. Because I'm trying to write something. I'm trying to like be productive. He's just like all up in my scenario right now. Oh, I'm so excited. This year has so many. What the hell? This damn cat must have lost his mind. Kitty, what the fuck? What the hell are you doing? He is too funny. I'm telling y'all. He itches like a dog. Oh, he didn't like that. I'm sorry. I meant it colloquially. No! What the fuck? Chill out. Oh my god. Wow, you guys. Life is so. Stop it. Kitty! Chill out. Chill out. Don't you have things to be doing? And then. Oh shit! Oh, that's so lit. Okay, wait. What else? Chill out. Chill the fuck out, dude. Chill out! Bro, this cat must have lost his damn mind. And then he was fighting all up with his sister this morning. I was like, are you guys okay? Like, do I need to separate the Rex or whatever the fuck? They were being messy this morning. They always just fight. You turn around, they just fight. They just fight. And it's so funny. He'll be like, rah! And then she's like shugging up on her hind legs because she doesn't like it at all. She doesn't like it at all. Well, don't get me wrong. She's about the madness. She can, hey, but she doesn't like that. He gets all up in her business, and then she'll get up on her hind legs, and she's like, she'll like, she'll be like, I'm like, you guys are so funny.